Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, we are going to address a common issue you might encounter with Bitnami stacks, error establishing a database connection. Don't worry, this is a straightforward fix. Let's get started. First, let's understand what's happening. This error usually indicates that the connection between your WordPress site and the database is failing. This can happen for various reasons, but a quick reboot often resolves the issues. So step 1, access your server's terminal. If you are using an SSH client like Putty, connect to your server. If you are on a local terminal, just open it up. I am going to use my Mac terminal. Step 2, once you are in the terminal, type the following command to reboot your server. The command is sudo reboot. Press enter and let the server reboot. This process will take a few minutes. After the reboot, wait a few minutes for everything to come back online. Then try accessing your website again. The error should be resolved and your site should be back to normal. If you are still experiencing issues, double check your database credentials in the wp-config.php file and ensure your database server is running. And that's it. Rebooting your server often solves the problem of establishing a database connection. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and keep learning.